In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Trust Wallet to Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as of today, you cannot directly transfer your money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. What you have to do instead is transfer your money to an exchange wallet like Binance. So, in this video, what I'm going to be doing and showing you is how to transfer your money from Trust Wallet to Binance and then transfer the money on Binance to Cash App. So first, inside of your Trust Wallet, what you have to do is sell the coin where you are going to get the BSB for the coins that you sell. Once you acquire BSC, you will be able to transfer or convert that BSC into BNB. In this video, we're going to be using the Binance wallet as our exchange wallet. What we have to do now is, after we convert the BSC to BNB inside of Trust Wallet, is to transfer the BNB to Binance using the wallet address that we got from it. After we receive the BNB inside of Binance, we can sell that for US dollars, and with the US dollars inside of our Binance account or any other exchange wallet that you choose, you will be able to send the actual amount of US dollars or funds that you have to your Cash App by inputting it using your account and routing number. Sadly, this process is a bit lengthy because Trust does not allow us to directly connect Cash App, so you will need to go through an exchange wallet first. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.